Bert, for show and tell I bought this bird. Come on out, Big Bird.
Alright, Ernie. What does he do? I do a lot of impressions. Wanna see? Okay, let's hear it.
Squawk. Boy, want a cracker. Boy, want a cracker.
And what else? I can stand on the couch. See? Not too savvy, but I won't have it in my house. Okay. So, do I fit for the part? You fit for all the parts. Yeah. Except the one where you actually sound like a parrot. You talk like a parrot. Get it? Because a parrot is a bird? Yeah, forget it. Here, have a little cracker. Ooh, thanks, Bert. Well, see ya.
That bird can sure put up a play, huh, Bert?
Yeah, I know, Ernie.